Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Here is a new story for you. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Ending the story, you will get some word meanings been mentioned as the story. It is help to you better understanding the story. Without wasting the time, let's start the story. Title: The Wish Old Owl. Once upon a time, in a thick white forest, there lived an old owl. She had watched the forest grow over the years and knew every animal, tree, and flower in it. The owl was known for her wisdom, and animals often came to her for advice. One day, a young fox came running to the owl. He looked troubled. "Oh, wish owl," he said, "I am always hungry. I try to catch rabbits, but they run too fast. I am too slow and too young to catch my food." The owl looked at the fox with kind eyes and said, "Listen, young one, to be quick, you need to practice. Every day, find a small target like a leaf or a stone and try to catch it. Soon you will be fast enough to catch a rabbit." The fox was inspired. Every day he practiced chasing leaves blown by the wind and stones that rolled down the hills. He grew faster and more skillful. After a few weeks, he finally caught his first rabbit. The fox thanked the wish owl and learned an important lesson. With patience and practice, one can overcome challenges. Here is some word meanings. Number 1. Thick. Dense or full, especially with trees or plants. Number 2. Wisdom. Knowledge and good judgment. Number 3. Advice. Guidance or recommendation on what to do. Number 4. Troubled, worried or distressed. Number 5. Inspired, motivated to do something. Number 6. Target. An object you aim for or try to reach. Number 7. Skillful, having or showing skill, talented. Number 8. Patience, the ability to wait or endure without getting angry or upset. Number 9. Practice, repeated exercise to improve a skill. Number 10. Overcome, to succeed in dealing with a problem or challenges. I hope it helps you improve your pronunciation and understanding. Let me know down below if you want anything. If you like the story, please give me a heart in the comment section and also recommended me what story you want to learn next. If you like the story, please like, share and subscribe our channel and turn on the bell icon.